The recurring sales order feature is located underneath the sales order module. Recurring sales order is the menu option. This allows you to define recurring sales orders for your customers, and they could be set up to be generated on a regular basis. For example, this one here for Joe's Wholesale has these two products on it, and the frequency over here allows you to identify that you want to create a new order for this customer based upon this order every week, or every 2 weeks, or monthly, quarterly, every 6 months, or annually. And then it wants you to define what the next date will actually be that you want it to create. Other information is very similar to the regular sales order screen. You have your tax authority. You can specify a tax code. You can say whether or not this is taxable, whether or not the individual items are taxable, what the order quantity is, and so forth. If you're a delivery business, you can create a recurring sales order for each day of the week, and it'll show you the day of the week down here. This would be typical for wholesale bakery, where maybe you're delivering rolls every single day and you have different standard orders with your customers for each day of the week. Incidentally, if you have route and stop turned on, the route and stop would also show on this screen. We have it turned off, so it's not showing for us. And then once you've defined all of your recurring orders, you can generate a recurring order simply by going into the process recurring orders, and then you would just click generate. We'll say yes. System will now go through and create a new sales order based upon any recurring sales orders with dates that are 6/18 or prior, and it also will increment that next date of the recurring order. And you'll see that here when we pull this up, now it says 4/12, whereas before it said 4/5. And you'll also see that if we did go into the sales order posting and maintenance, and we look at the last order that was created, we should see this order here for Joe's Wholesale for the stapler 501 and the 101. And let's just take a quick look and see. And there they are. And that concludes the recurring sales order feature.